Hello students, in this video we are going to look for after the various types or various methods for calculating the missing rainfall data for given catchment area. See, after locating or after finding out the optimum number of rain gauges, if one of the rain gauge is not working or it is under the maintenance or because of the natural calamities, one of the rain gauge is not working, then for finding out the average or for finding out the particular missing rainfall data, we have to calculate or we have to analyze that particular rain gauge station. So for this, we have to study the various methods that are used for finding out the missing rainfall data. So here we are going to study in this video. So up to this, we had studied that types of rainfall, forms of rainfall, then the measurement of a rainfall, then how we decided the number of a rain gauge in particular catchment area. But if after plotting and after inserting all this number of rain gauge station, sometimes it is not possible to measure the rainfall at the particular rain gauge station because of the absence of observer. If there is a non-recording rain gauge is there, so if the absence of or observer is absent, then we do not take the rainfall record, or we do not give the take. It is unable to take the rainfall data for the particular rain gauge station. Then if the instrument is failure, then any other natural reason, it is impossible to take the rainfall data from the particular rain gauge station. So in that case, the prediction of missing data can be made with the help of available data of nearby measuring stations. So for this, we have three methods with us. If one of the rain gauge stations are not working, then we can find out this missing rain gauge station data by using these mentioned methods. So first is the arithmetic mean method. See, according to this method, the missing rainfall, that is, if we here, if we consider that the missing rainfall precipitation is denoted by the P suffix X, that is, station X is the inoperated or it's not working properly. So the missing rainfall P of X of the station X is computed by simple arithmetic average of a rainfall at the nearby stations. That means the existing station. So how it will be calculated? So by using the equation, that is precipitation of missing rainfall, that this missing rain gauge station X, P of X is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus dash 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 P to the base n, means number of precipitation of the number of rain gauge stations is available, that much precipitation will be added, and it is divided by the number of existing or working rain gauge stations. Means we have a 5 rain gauge station in a catchment area, and amongst this one is not working. So here small n is equal to 4 because one is not working, and that single rain gauge station precipitation that we want to find out. So P of missing rain gauge station, it is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3 divided by the number of existing rainfall. So its suitability, where it is useful, this method is used under the condition is that the normal annual rainfall of the missing station is within the 10% of average rainfall of index station, that is existing station. And in this method, the rain gauge should be close and evenly spaced around the missing rain gauge stations, as well as the data of at least 3 indexed or 3 existing stations should be available. In that condition only, we can use this method for finding out the missing rainfall data for the given catchment area. Here, Px is nothing but a precipitation of a missing rain gauge station. P1, P2, P3 is the precipitation of an existing or index station, and small n is the number of existing rain gauge stations. Next method is the normal ratio method. So its suitability is, in this method also data of at least 3 index stations should be available and this should be equally spaced. But the average annual rainfall of index station that will be differ more than the 10% of a average annual rainfall of a missing station. So this is the condition. Based on this condition, we are using this normal ratio method. So the name itself tells us that normal ratio means we have to wait. In this method, we have to the rainfall of the surrounding existing stations are weighed by the ratio of a normal annual rainfall. So here equation like this: precipitation of missing rain gauge station, it is equal to 1 upon n, that is n is the number of existing station, into bracket P1 means precipitation of a first rain gauge station, multiplied by nx means the normal annual rainfall of a missing station, divided by the normal annual rainfall of a existing first rain gauge station, plus P2 into nx upon n2, likewise Pn into nx upon nn. So this gives you the precipitation of a missing rainfall data. Now the inverse distance, or it is also called as a US weather service method. See, in this method, it is purely based on the coordinates. It is respected with respect to the x and y coordinates. Origin has been taken, the missing rain gauge station has been taken as origin, which is having the coordinates as a 0 for the x and 0 for the y, and from this only we can take the, or we can find out the coordinates of a existing rain gauge station. So the set of a rectangular coordinate axes are passed through the missing rain gauge station, which is having a coordinates 0 x and 0 y. So how we will find out this? The coordinates x comma y of each existing station surrounding the missing station are found, and the weightage of each existing station is represented by the inverse of square of its distance from the missing station. Here you can see that here Wi, that is the weightage of each existing station. W1 is equal to 1 upon D1 square is equal to, D is nothing but a distance, means its coordinate axis x and y. So 1 upon x square plus y square gives you the weightage of each rain gauge station, existing rain gauge station. So by inversing this, we will get the weightage, and after getting summation of this, we can find out the missing rainfall data for the particular station. So these are the methods which are used for finding out the missing rainfall data. After establishing all the number of rain gauge stations successfully in catchment area, but because of some reason, because of the instrument error, because of the manual error, if one of the rain gauge is not working properly, then if in future if we want to find out the average, so first of all we have to find out the missing rainfall data by using all these three methods depending upon the condition. So we can find out the missing rainfall data. Thanks for watching this video.